I'm up here at my cabin, and the beavers came in and got a couple beaver dams put in last year. This one is not actually on my property, but it's flooding effectively an acre of my property. The neighbor doesn't want it here, I don't want it here. This beaver dam, littler, is on my property. So I got a special permit from the state to go ahead and rip this thing apart and shoot the beavers. I'm getting some of the beavers. It's still trapping season, so I can legally hunt them on my trapping license and use them until May 31st is the last day. Then I go to the special permit for the month of June. So I've watched a few YouTube videos, and this is what I'm using. I'm using my big Husqvarna 288 XP with a 28-inch blade on it. And then this 4-tine hoe I saw on YouTube, people are having good luck ripping them apart. So anyway, hopefully the camera's out of the way. If this thing goes big time, I hope it blows the littler dam out. So I'm just gonna film it, and if I get swept away, you guys will have a good laugh, okay? Okay, it's It's probably been about a half hour, 45 minutes. I was all ready to go through the top, but my chainsaw fell off the bar. So I'm gonna put it back on and see if I can get a little bit more. The base of this dam is about 10 feet thick. That's just crazy. All right, so it's dropped about a foot already. It didn't take out the lower dam. I'm going to take a walk down and see how high the water is where it crosses under my bridge. Then I'm going to come back and sit a while and see if any of those bastards come out so I can shoot them. It's been about 40 minutes since I left. Looks like it came down a little bit more, but maybe we're at an equilibrium. I'm probably going to have to go back out there and do a little more digging. So it's time for round 2 of Beaver Dam destruction. I'm going to try doubling the width of that. Seems like we're at an equilibrium. So we'll see how it goes. My Hero 10 GoPro died, so this is where we're at. I went in that second time and Not quite doubled the opening, but it made a big difference. It's gone down substantially just in 10 minutes. I went in and did a third pass on this beaver dam. I got the chainsaw in there and made it another 3 foot wide. So it's about 9 foot wide, and it dropped substantially again. Up at the higher end, you can see where the creek is running in, the current from it, and that was up around the corner another 60 or 70 feet at the beginning of the day. Oh, here we are. You can see where at the beginning of the day it was flooding over the entire dam. And you can sort of see the water line. That far log was underwater by the beaver house. And you see that log way up there. Just this side of it is where the stream sort of quit flowing and it became a pond. That's about 30 to 40 yards away. So hopefully the force of this current can help clean the sediment out tonight and take some of the branches with it and maybe drain it some more. Might have to get in here tomorrow again if I'm able. I am beat. I've been doing a lot of hoeing. And then I got to take care of that lower one, which is probably a little bigger now because that's where all the branches went from this dam. Here's a look at the dam from this side. You can tell I knocked the shit out of it.